Hey guys, what's going on? All right, so I have a bunch of totes and I wanted to make them a lot easier to access and keep them conveniently stored and stacked. So what I decided to do was build a tote drawer wall. What I have here, as you can see, is a diagram that I drew in SketchUp. This uses Project Source Commander large 27-gallon tote containers, which I bought at Lowe's. It doesn't actually fit the HDX Home Depot 27-gallon container the same. They're slightly different dimensionally, even though they're the same amount of gallons. So if you're going to use these drawings, just be aware that they may differ just a little bit. I wound up I had 4 of the Lowe's ones on the bottom, and they fit really well, and then the rest were Home Depot's HDXs. So I had to modify my dimensions a little bit and move things a little bit so they're not completely uniform. Here's the base with a couple uprights. You notice that it hits the vent just right. At the top, I tied in a couple connectors to get the box shape. Running down the top between the two ends, I've got another 2x4 to continue the box shape. All right, next I'm just test sliding to see how easy it slides and goes right in. Here's the first modification I made. Instead of this just overlapping like the other side, I wound up making it fit in place, and it fits the containers better. Here's the end brace. Towards the top, I actually had to use another 2x4 in between the vertical and the horizontal brace just to get it to fit the smaller container. There we go. I got a 3 high. I don't think I can get another one in there. It's too tight. I was going to do 4x4, but I'm going to do it for a shelf and put some other stuff up there.